Hi, I'm Ron Lynch with ClearOne. We're here at ISE 2020, and I'm here to present a new product offering called the Versa Lite CT. With this product offering, we can now do small to mid-sized conference rooms with no DSP. This system includes the BMA CT microphone to give us impeccable room coverage for your small to mid-sized room. Included with this package is the USB expander, which now gives the ability to connect directly to your PC or laptop, or now we can go ahead and we can add other peripherals to our system. So we can design the system to match exactly what our needs are in our room. Whether you want to add a hub, so now we can connect dual displays to that. You can choose the speakers of your choice for your room because the BMA CT has two 10-watt amplifiers built into it. Included in that is the ability to add a Bluetooth expander, which now lets us add a smartphone call in our conferencing application. The USB hub can then connect a single connection to your room PC, either laptop or PC. And you have the ability to choose the camera of your choice. We're showing here the Unite 50, but also the Unite 150 camera can be chosen. For more information, go to our website at clearone.com. Thank you very much.